Wednesday, September 22nd. Well, in the semifinals, Novak Djokovic dug his way out of a two-set hole and beat Federer, earning 2 match points as well. Balancing all of that pressure. Another to defend his title successfully, he has to win 3 sets against Djokovic in playing his
That's true. Romeo.